Maximilian, or as I like to call him sometimes, General Grevious, has suddenly decided to hop over to Mum and start eating her food off her plate. You cheeky little cheeky. What are you doing, Mac?
So I'm guessing she wasn't that keen on him either.
Oh, now he's being even more cheeky and climbing up Mum.
She said she wanted him dead.
What do you want?
You love her.
What?
Kate. You still love her, right?
What's that got to do with you?
We do anything for the people we love, don't we? Charity's told us she wanted Kane dead. Let's face it, you're hardly as big as fan yourself. You know that from the amount of times you reported him.
Oh, you can't touch my head, Kim. I'll mess you up.
Oh, thanks for wondering.
Well, cracker.
I like how he just jumps on your plate. No way. Oh, God. He's looking at your cracker which you got in your hand now. Oh, God. So he wants your cracker now? Give me the big cracker.
Get off.
This is my keys.
So you're aware what happened?
General Grevious.
We understand there was a bit of an altercation in the pub last night.
General Grevious.
What's that doing right close to your face?
What are you up to, Jen? Grevo?
Get off.
Well, I wanted to make sure he was all ready.
How you doing, Jen?
We also learned
Grevo?
the husband sustained the hand injury.
Yeah, well.
Grevo, do you want to come on me? Oh, leave Mum alone now, don't you? And leave Mum alone now. Well, I've got no food over here. Oh, where's the food gone? Oh no, not the food. Oh no. Oh, there it is. Oh, there it is. Come in. Oh, there's food.
We understand there was a bit of an
There's food.
altercation in